my background is new because this is my office. It's still empty. As you can see, there's a lot of echo or echo. I'm not sure how you say, but it's work in progress, so it's gonna get better. Today, a very short video because I wanted to do a haul about what I got at Target last Sunday. As you may know, Target is celebrating their 20th anniversary, and over the years they did a lot of collaborations with famous brands, obviously with the Target prices, so that was great. And now they're doing it again to celebrate their anniversary. And I got a few things because I had to. Not too many because I still don't have a closet, so I don't know where to put clothes, but I got a few things. So first off, I'm going to show you something from Missoni. I love this brand, obviously it's Italian, and I didn't get anything for myself as you might have thought, but I got a little dress for Elizabeth, my daughter. This is a 2T. She's 18 months, but she's a little bigger than her age, so this fits her perfectly. And as you can see here, it's the tag for their 20th anniversary, and the price for this dress was $30, which for a Missoni dress is amazing. As always, I always check the material, and it's 60% cotton and 40% rayon. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I really love this little dress. Then next we have, I wasn't gonna get anything for myself, but I mean, I had to, I don't know. I got this sweater, which is, wait. I can't remember the brand. It's Isaac Mizrahi. Oh my god, so sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I'm sorry, kill me now. So it's super cute. So obviously pink and red, all striped. The material is 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. So it's okay for Target. And the price again was $30. As you can see here, the tag of the 20th anniversary. Super cute for like a mid-season. It's cotton, but it's pretty heavy. And then next, my favorite piece that I didn't want to get, but I couldn't say no. I love this brand, Hunter. I have a pair of rain boots of this brand, and they're amazing. They had many different backpacks. This was the smallest one. They had a blue one that was a little bigger, green one that was pretty big. The price for this backpack was $35, and I love it because it's on the smaller side, but you can like clip it here or open it if you need more space. I'm gonna take all the paper out to show you the inside. As you can see, it's pretty big, and inside they have the tag. It says Hunter and Target collection. It says 20th anniversary collection, and it has one pocket with a zipper and two smaller ones like that. So it's pretty nice. Last feature in the back, you have a zipper for easier easier opening. I love this backpack, and it's obviously waterproof because it's all like this Hunter material. Last but not least, I know I didn't get many things, but I tried to not buy anything at all, so that was good. It's a candle. As you may know if you follow me on Instagram, I'm obsessed with plants and candles too, because we have a new house, so I try to decorate. And I saw this candle and I love the Missoni pattern. As you can see it here. They have it in black and white too, but it's a different fragrance. This one is called Tuscan Sunrise, and it's scented soy candle, honeydew melon, Tuscan olive, and patchouli fragrance. So I love patchouli, and my husband loves honeydew melon, so I thought it was a good mix. And it says burn time of 25 hours, and the price was $12, as you can see here. Okay, So that's what I got. I know I could have done much worse or better depending on the point of view, but I hope you enjoyed watching what I got. As always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I post a lot of different videos, so I'm sure I'm gonna post something that you're interested into. And thank you again for watching my video. Leave a comment and a like down below because it always helps me, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!